Alright, we got the Doorman product here, the PCV elbow. So we're going to install it on here, and that's it, because I do not have a line, because the line that was on it was pretty much gone. So that'll be some other day, but this can still freewheel, no problem. And then I'll be able to put the line on later. But let's get this installed. All right, take her out of container here. Now, it's supposed to go this side out, this side in. Just like that. So I gotta get a line, and then I'll connect it up one day, but that's how you install your PCV elbow. So that's it, guys. That's all for now. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you would, please. Later.